Okay, my friends, and welcome to step one. Now, this is really important, branding yourself. Now, let me just show you my page. So I'm going to show you my programs page. This is the one that I use. It's got 2 columns, and I can add up to 20 on this particular page. So it's a great one-link opportunity for you to showcase everything that you belong to. But if you notice there, on all of our pages, well, in my my account, it will be my name. In your account, it will be your name. And you see I've got a picture there. So let me just show you how I put that on there. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just choose another picture somewhere. So let me have a look. Let me have a look in, I don't know, camping bits. So have a look in there. And there's a picture of me just there, look. Now, that's a big picture. So it's asking, do I want to crop it? And the answer is yes, I do. Now, what I can do if I wanted to, because a head and shoulders works best. So let me just slide that up there. And slide that across there and then bring it down. That would do. So all I would do now is click crop and save. Okay, so now what you've got, I've got a picture just like that. Now let me choose that same one again and show you what happens if I didn't crop it. All I would do is slide it up there, upload without cropping, and then watch what happens. Can you see that? Look, it don't look very good. So it's best to crop it. But the one that I use is over on my desktop under Buildabizonline stuff, and then I can find my image somewhere down here. And it is already 125 times 125. So if you add one that is 125 times 125, then it doesn't need to do anything. So you can just upload without cropping. And that's the one that I use. So if we go back over here, you can see that that's the picture that's on here. Okay, everybody knows me by this picture online. The thing is with branding, people become to know, like, and trust the person that they're dealing with. So it's better to do that. Now, what you can do is create something like a logo. After all, over at Coca-Cola, it's not the picture of the latest CEO. It is a brand name, Coca-Cola. So maybe you can go over to something like ChatGPT and create a logo and do it that way. Okay, my friends? So that is how to brand yourself over at Buildabizonline. So thanks for listening. And bye for now, and it's time now to go on to step 2.